Sinend niya yung bahay, yung nag-price decrease. Ano nga yung bahay niya? Mamaya. Yun sa email, nag-price decrease. Oh, ano yan? Doorknob. Kid entry door. Oh, ganito na yung pintuan natin. Pinaltan. It's a robot vacuum. Yeah, it's a... It cleans for us. It will clean for you and me. Let's move a little bit. Turn down the volume.
Live yan. Ano mo, baka makita yung
Ayan, dito sa dulo.
Bibload. Okay, i-cut ko yung card. LeFant. Yung excuse me. Oh, magta-tidy up na ng room mag-isa? Ayos to ah. Sorry na. Install the side brushes. Turn on the robot. Placement of the docking station. Connection of power supply. Tidy up the room. How to use buttons. App download and configuration. Oh, okay. Kala ko maglinis mag-isa ng kwarto eh. Yung pala, bago mo gamitin, i-tidy up mo yung ng mga loose na gamit, medyas, mga nasa sahig na pwede niyang madaanan kasi masisira siya. Naku, kawawa to kay jumper. Ang mga bristles na yan. Kakonekta naman na. Ito ba yun? Maka ito pa. O extra to na extra brush. May extra siyang extra lang yan. Connected na eh. Ito na eh. Kaya nga.
Kinabit ko na eh.
Kakakabit mo lang ba yan? Ay, ano naman itong isa pang linis.
Naman.
Mas may extra siya na brush. Gusto ko ito kinuha. Magaling lang kumuha. Hindi marunong magbalik. Charging station.
May extra filter din.
Oh, may extra siyang filter na isa. Washable ba yung washable?
Hindi.
So, bibili tayo ng filter. Pwedeng i-brush muna. Brush. Extra chihuahua chenes. So, parang saglit lang yun. Ang ganda naman review niya. Baka kailangan pa i-charge. Kailangan i-connecta sa app. May app pa eh. Connect to the app daw, sabi.
Ikaw na mag-download.
Pero pwede siyang manual. Make an appointment to clean your home twice a day. I'm so lucky I didn't know. Ooh. Malayo pa lang nade-detect na niya. No, hindi siya dumiretso eh. Troy, look! Baby! The vacuum.
Oh, what did you do?
It stops already?
Hindi. Kaya nga ano mo yung ano eh, kasi may iba't
May certain
How much
siya.
money did you?
may iba't ibang cleaning.
Does it have a charging plate?
Yeah, there it is.
Where?
On the side.
Oh my god!
Baby Troy.
It's stuck! It's calculating!
Baby.
It's,
Calculating? Calculating. Tawa si Troy. Go, go, vacuum. Si go, go, vacuum, clean the house.
no
Oh.
vacuum joy!
Vacuum Troy, he's
stuck.
dirty.
It's stuck.
He knows the ways.
He only knows, he doesn't know left.
Move. Rayvan, excuse. Matuwan mo si Ivan sa vacuum. Baby, don't ride on it. You're heavy.
Only cats could do that.
And
Small dogs.
and a squirrel.
It's a free ride, actually.
Yeah, with the cats, by the way.
Baby, I'm gonna kiss from the road. La la la, la 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 la.
Kaya lang medyo ka para mang cleaning ano niya.
Saan na? Nawala na.
Nalilito pa siya eh. Pwede na, maganda, dito pa lang gagaling yan.
Doon sa gilid para dire-diretso siya. Maglinis. Pabalik-balik lang siya.
Pwede na ito. Pero yung press.
Oh.
Meron na ito doon.
To press, babalik siya sa charging station. Hanapin niya yung pinag-charge niya. Oh, wow. Amazing. Marunong umuwi. Sana all. Isang press, on. Dalawang press, babalik sa bahay.
Gusto nila sa open.
Oo nga,
Dito,
doon.
tagulang dito. Kasi yan ako pag dyan.
Anintro yan, lagi. Ganon din naman, kahit sa malagay, anintro eh.
Masungin na dito. Nakatado. Dami mo to.
Okay. He is spot cleaning Troy's mess. Troy. Yeah, your donut mess. Parang payat pa yan doon. Diyan. Yun yung maraming ano.
Hindi na, butong sound na.
Eh, may ikot lang siya.
Bumalik na.
Thanks everyone for tuning in. Mega love shout out to all.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Condes family. Thank you. Leave a comment below.
Like and share.
Subscribe.
God bless everyone. Love the Condes family. Bye bye.
Bye.